Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to hide sensitive information when your app goes to background state in native iOS application using SwiftUI. So let's get started. So firstly, all I have done is that I have created a SwiftUI application. Here we take this environment variable called redaction response redaction reasons. So this is a default environment variable present. I have not created this by myself, so this is default present. And here you can see I have just have some text. Okay, now this is another text which I want to hide as soon as our app goes to background state. So that's what I'm doing over here. Then here I have created one group. So this particular part and this particular part is more or less the same. The only thing is when the app goes to background, instead of showing this is private, I want to show this particular thing. Here what happens is that this gets blurred out by default thing which is present inside iOS. So let me show you the output and things would be more clearer for you. So here you can see this is my application. Now as soon as just concentrate on the first, this is private, and the second, this is private. So if I just move it back to background state, here you can see for the first this is private, it just gets blurred out by a single line or a rectangle, and for the second one it gets the monkeys who hide their eyes, so something like that. So yeah, that's what if you want this particular part, then you will have to use this redaction reasons as well. But if you are happy with this privacy sensitive, then you can do this. Again, we are using privacy sensitive for this one as well. It's just that I want to show something custom when the text is blurred, so that's why we are using this particular part. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.